It's morning. Everyone is at the reserve.
Where's Gus?
Gus is in the tree.
What am I?
An orangutan!
Gus is in the pond. There's a frog in the pond, too.
Where's Gus now?
Ribbit, ribbit. I'm in the pond. I'm a frog.
Gus is in the tree hollow. Look at the baby opossums.
What am I?
An opossum!
Oh no! Gus is next to a beehive.
Look, I'm a honeybee. Bzzz.
No, Gus!
Look at the honeybees. They aren't happy.
Oh no! Run!
That's an eagle.
Yes, they live in big nests.
Where do honeybees live?
They live in a hive.
I think crabs live near water. Some animals live in reserves.
That's right, and people help them. What's that?
It's a monkey. Monkeys live in trees.
He lives in a zoo.
Look, there's a snake. He's hiding.
Meerkats live in holes in the ground.
They live together. They're so cute.
Animals are great.
Hi there. Are you ready for today's big question? Where do animals live? Look at these animals. Where do they live? This is an eagle. Eagles live in big nests high in the trees. This is a honeybee. Honeybees make a hive for their home. They make honey in the hive. This is a crab. Some crabs make their homes in old seashells. Different animals live in different homes. An animal's home is the best place for it to live. But sometimes, animals can't live in their home. Some animals live in reserves, and people help them. This is Marwell Zoo. They take care of all kinds of animals. What's that? It's a monkey. Where do monkeys live? They live in the trees. At Marwell Zoo, they play on climbing frames. Snakes live in trees too. There's a snake in this tree, but where is it? There it is. These are meerkats. Meerkats live in holes in the ground and they all live together. There are tigers, zebras, and flamingos. I like all the animals at Marwell Zoo, but my favorite animal is the leopard. What's your favorite animal?